I'm from USA,
USA. Okay, which states?
Tennessee.
Please repeat again. Can't understand. Which state?
I'm in Tennessee.
So, do you like smoking? How
I don't.
many? Not cigarette?
Yeah, I just do a vape.
Okay. What is that? What is that?
It's a vape. I
See,
don't like. This just a pen, a tobacco pen. So I mean, I have this for like probably like 2 months.
okay.
They stink.
Okay.
Is something wrong with my face?
Okay. Yeah. You know,
You think
right.
something wrong with?
No, no, no. You are beautiful. But so
Mm-hmm.
so what's your name?
F bar.
Expire.
Mm-hmm.
What do you do for your living?
I'm a dental assistant. What about you? What do you do?
Nothing.
You're your own boss. You make money that way.
No, 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 no. I'm here just making new friends and talking with strangers.
Oh, okay. Well, it's nice meeting you.
Okay, nice to meet you too. Can you tell me about your city, about your family, about your life? I mean,
Oh
something.
no, thank you. No, thank you. I appreciate that though.
Why? Okay, can you advise me how can I go to USA?
Um, you get like a what is it, like a little visa? I don't know. I have to research it. I mean, I'm
Yeah,
here, so I
it's
don't.
right. It's right.
I think you have to get like one of them little a passport. You need just a passport. You can
Yeah,
come over here.
I know that, but I don't have any money. Then how can I go there?
Oh, you gotta work then. You gotta work and get you some money.
Okay. So can I find a girlfriend in USA?
What you trying to do? You trying to you trying to marry and get you a citizenship out here?
But how can I find her?
I don't. You know,
You don't know.
you gonna have to. I don't know.
Okay, then okay. Okay, do you have any boyfriend?
Be able to help you out though. Just keep on matching people.
Okay, do you have any boyfriend?
No, I'm currently single
Why you still single?
because it's by choice right now. I'm just, focusing on myself at the moment. It catches my eye and just be real consistent. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna give him a chance.
Okay,
You
okay,
know?
okay. Okay. You looking so beautiful, so you should have so many boyfriend. I think.
Nope, I've been single for a year now.
Okay. So how old are you?
I'm 29.
29.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe you are 2 years older than me. I'm 27.
Okay.
So how you spend today?
Today's good. It's beautiful outside. The sun is shining. What's the weather out here? Let me see. What my car gonna tell me? It is 59 degrees out here. He do.
Okay, so
But judgment.
do you have any tattoo?
If I had if I get the opportunity to get free tattoos, I get them if they know how to do it right.
Okay, okay, okay.
But I don't want to spend money on tattoos right now.
Many US's girls like tattoo. So I ask you.
Mm-hmm.
So do you have any tattoo on your body?
Mm-hmm.
Can you show me that?
Mm-mm. I don't want to show you.
Okay, secret. I can't see your full face, please.
This
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
bye.